Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to desolder components. For this you need a 60 watt soldering iron and wire. You can see first we are desoldering this capacitor. First hold the capacitor and board through hands and pull the capacitor downwards like this by touching your soldering iron. It come out easily, as you can see. It's very easy to desolder. Now I am desoldering a diode. Take your tweezer and insert in the gap. Take your soldering iron and heat it and pull it down, and hold with your tweezer and do the same again. Pull it down. Now I am desoldering this heat sink. For desoldering this, it has cover. I am removing that. You can see I am taking flux and adding to wire. Add more flux. You can see this is the heat sink soldered point. I am removing it. You can see it has desoldered. Place the wire. Place the wire like this and put your soldering iron on the copper wire. It will desolder easily. It sucks the solder in the copper wire. Now I am removing its screws. You can see they have joined this IC using heatsink paste. That's why I will pull like this. I will pull the ICs like this. You can see the heatsink has come out without damaging. Now we are desoldering these transistors or ICs. You can see. Take the wire and dip in the flux. And place on the 3 pins of the IC and touch your soldering iron to only wire. You can see it sucked all the solder. You can see this is desoldered IC. Now I am desoldering this IC. It has too many pins. Take the solder wire and apply all pins of the IC. Take this. Take a screwdriver or a tweezer like this. First I am removing the xenon diode which is in IC side. You can see I have removed. and insert the screwdriver like this and melt all the solder like this I am doing. And rotate your screwdriver. You can see it is desoldered off, and do same with other side also. I am using my hands. You can see it has desoldered easily. You can also use the wire method to desolder all the ICs. You can desolder transformers